Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I've got a 3-ingredient pancake recipe for you for next Tuesday, which is Pancake Tuesday. So there's no excuses. You don't even need a weighing scales for this recipe. Once you've got a bowl and a whisk, you're sorted. Okay everyone, let's make pancakes. Alright, so into a bowl I'm going to add in a mug of flour. This is self-raising flour. There's a raising agent in this, so that's why I'm using self-raising flour. And using the same mug, I'm going to measure a mug of milk and just pour it in there. Once you use the same mug for the flour and for the milk, the pancakes will work out fine. Now into this I'm going to add 1 large egg, and that's it. Just going to whisk it up together. Just give it a good whisk until all the flour is fully combined. Once the mixture is ready, if you like, you can add chocolate chips at this stage. I'd add about a handful, maybe some blueberries, raspberries. If you grate a pear in, it's lovely too. So all that's left to be done now is for us to fry these on the pan. The secret to really good pancakes is a hot pan, and I like to use a little butter and sunflower oil or vegetable oil with it. Add about 60 mils, which is about 4 tablespoons of the pancake batter, and cook until you see little bubbles appear all over the top. When you get to this stage, you can flip the pancake over and cook for about another minute on the other side until golden brown on the bottom. That's perfect. This amount of mixture makes 12 pancakes, so you get a nice amount. There's no sugar in these pancakes, so don't feel guilty about serving these with your kids' favourites. And we love Nutella, Biscoff and maple syrup. I'm trying something a little different, so I'm going to serve these with some creme fraiche and blueberry compote, which is just basically a blueberry sauce, and it's very easy to make. You just heat blueberries with some water and a good bit of sugar, bring to the boil and then let it cool down. Well, what do you think? Don't they look really good? All that's left to be done is for me to try these. These pancakes taste amazing, and with just 3 ingredients, you need to make them. You won't be disappointed. There you have them, my 3-ingredient pancakes. Don't they look gorgeous? I really hope you try them out, and let me know below in the comments if you do. I'd love to hear from you. I do have a couple of other pancake recipes on my channel. I've got one for cinnamon roll pancakes. They're absolutely gorgeous. There's also one for American style buttermilk pancakes. Everyone loves them. And I even have a pancake recipe for just one person. So if you want to make a small amount of pancakes, then that's the perfect recipe for you. Thanks again. Hope you all have a lovely Pancake Tuesday and enjoy the pancakes. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.